Hello everybody, beautiful day. Tonight we make some dishes so easy. We make a pasta bucatini with a fresh tomato. Look a nice tomato. And I take the skin out like this. You know, gotta do take out the skin. It's so easy like this. And we got all the ingredients right over here. We got the tomato, we got the bucatini, we got a flake hot pepper, garlic. I got a fresh hot pepper from the garden, and we got a burrata. And I got to use a basil. And before we start, I want to say salute, chin chin to everybody. Chin chin, salute. Okay, we start with the pasta. It take a time to cook. And before I put the pasta, let's put salt. All right. And now the pasta. Bucatini. Okay. And we got this, we turn the pasta. We leave it go down. Okay, good. And let's put the gas on for this guy. I'm going to use it for the tomato. Let's put oil. All right. Okay, I got the garlic. And I got this pepper I want to use. And let's bring the fresh, nice tomato.
And how did you take the skin off of the tomatoes?
You put like no 1 minute in the hot water. You take it out and the skin come out so easy. Okay, the garlic.
How many minutes for the pasta?
The pasta you gotta cook, it say 9 minutes, but I cook all the time again. It's not 9 minutes. I cook like 11 or 12 minutes. It's why I put right away the pasta. Because the tomato cooks so fast. You don't want to cook it too much. You gotta be nice, the tomato. And look at the garlic now.
And for those just tuning in for the first time, we're live every Tuesday at around 6 p.m.
And now I split this pepper like this on a half. And I want to put it too. All right. I want to fry the garlic really good. Give a good taste when you cook the tomato. Oh. Stay away.
Is everyone here a fan of hot peppers?
This is my yeah baby.
Those are like chili peppers, right?
Yeah, it's a spice.
As you can see, the apron, hot like my pepper.
Yeah, it's my baby.
If you're interested in that apron or...
Okay, now with the tomato. Okay, now we got black pepper. I got a salt.
What kind of oil you use?
It's di cecco. I use di cecco oil. You want to show?
No, it's right.
No? Okay. Okay, now I got a lot of basil over here. And look at the leaves of my basil from my garden. Look how beautiful. Okay.
It's extra virgin olive oil.
Yes. Ok, now we do little salute e cin cin everybody. Cin cin, salute. Another pasta.
This is all clad.
Both are the same.
Did we have that linked or no? On Linktree?
Yeah.
Okay, we load the gas, cut the tomato. I don't like the cook too much. Already I was boiled, like I said, for 1 minute. And now, see, it's so beautiful. After we put the bucatini, the pasta, right inside over here. Okay, now we gotta wait for the pasta, be ready. Look how beautiful the pasta, wow.
You want to just say thank you to everybody that sent the stars?
Oh, okay, all right. Thank you very much for everybody. Every week we look on Tuesdays, 6 story. And thank you so much. Okay, everybody give a big compliment to me. Okay, everybody say, Pasquale, everything you make, it's delicious. And thank you for your support. And thank you for the star. E cin cin e salute everybody. And let's drink it together. Cin cin, salute. Look at the tomato, beautiful.
Mm-hmm.
All right, now we wait for the bucatini. Everybody know how many minutes already? 4 minutes? Oh, 4 minutes left, okay. When I was in Italy, the bucatini, we was called I parciatiello. In my city, we call it parciatiello. But this is the bucatini, it's really, really good. When I was in Italy, my mother, we was on a farm. You have a big farm closer to my city, only about 2 kilometers, a mile and a half. And we was a walk over there. And my mother, she was a cook all the time. And we was make a pasta with a fresh tomato, everything. She take the string beans or beans, land, everything fresh for the farm. It was so good. I want to say something. I miss so much my farm when I was working in my city. It's really nice work on a farm. I was love this. Well, I got over here a little garden, but not the same like over there. Well, over there in Italy, long now, no, it's not the same no more like before. But in Italy, I was started to work when I was 9 years old. At graduation, I was a good at college. I'm supposed to be that. At graduation, I was 11 years old. I finished the school 11 years old. That's it. After that, he was watching the pig, the cow, the lamb, everything work on the farm.
And when you came to America, you got your GED?
Yeah, I was a doctor. After I was 16 years old, I left my house. I was going to North Italy, in Torino, Piemonte. I was work over there. I was working at the restaurant. That's the place I was started to work at the restaurant. But I was learn a lot of things from my mother and my father. He was a cook too. You got 1 minute or two? Almost. Okay. Now we got a butter. All right. As you drain the pasta, make sure to leave all the time a little water. Okay? Maybe you need, or maybe you don't need, but make sure to take a little water for the pasta on the side. Oh, you see now the body make a nice creamy. All right, now I think it's it, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Bill said time's up.
How many minutes that was a put, say?
It should have been 11.
Okay.
Right?
Yeah.
I know drain really good because I need a little water. Hey, come over here, you baby. You got one more. Okay. And now, okay, the burrata you want to put over here? Or we put it right over here, okay? And now we got the burrata. Look at that. Look how beautiful. Huh?
What do you guys think? Looks good with the burrata.
Everybody maybe say, Pasquale, what happened? You know using no gloves? I like this. And now wash my hands. I was washed before too. But now, all right, look how beautiful. Huh? What do you think? We put a little water? I put water, all right? Oh, this is enough for the water. I got it right over here. Okay. Good. And now, all right. We turn the gas off and let's take
Got 8 ounces of pasta here for 4 people.
Okay, I'm taking my wine.
Oh, you got the Oh Yeah Baby on there.
Okay, and now on the top, I gotta pour over that too. We put little flake at the pepper. You want to show the pour over there? No. Okay, we do like this. Look there. Mmm. Mmm. Really, really good. A little. Hmm? Thank you very much. It's come out really good. So somebody let me know. Okay, it's really delicious. Thank you very much. And we see next week on 6 Story. And thank you for your support. And thank you for the star. Chin chin e salute. And we see next week. Chin chin. Salute.
Oh, hey, big thank you to Barbara for the 500 stars. Appreciate that.
Thank you. Thank you.
And unfortunately, we don't have this recipe on the website yet. So, I mean, it's a pretty simple one. We might have a similar one on there. Big thank you to Lori for the stars, Bill, Sean, and everyone else. Thank you so much.
Thank you for everybody for the star. Chin chin. Salute.
And if you're interested in like these aprons, and we also have like pot holders, you could just do a hashtag merch and that'll be sent to your inbox. And that's it.
Thank you.